Hello everyone, Andre here. In this video, I'll show you how you can use our platform to generate leads and create lead magnets, gate content. First of all, you need to create an account. You can create a free account from our platform. Then the most important thing is that you can create multiple organizations from here. By default, you have one organization, but you can buy more if you want. First of all, we have this dashboard here, but the most important thing is here, my lead magnets. The idea of a lead magnet is that you have a Notion-like editor, and you can use these blocks to create content. You can also copy-paste content from somewhere. For example, I can change the title of the page. I can add a heading 1 here, test. I can add a heading 2 here, test as well. Also, I can create multiple tabs, and I recommend to split the content into multiple tabs. After that, I can share my lead magnet both on Subpage custom domain and your custom domain here, subdomain. Also, we have these page variables here. So basically, you can have a variable called name. You can go here and add the variable in the content. And you'll see that if you go to the page and add something like name equal Andrei. Yeah, the variable is here, and you can use this to, for example, send a bunch of emails with this lead magnet. We also have multiple lead generation methods. The first one is quiz page, which basically is locking the entire page. The second one is gated content. You can gate the content after 300 pixels, for example. You have some form fields here. You can fill out the title, the description. Also, we have password gated. You can set a password for the page. And also, with the latest release, we have this tab gating, which is basically the gate per tab. For example, I want to gate only the second tab, and then I can go here and test it. As you see, I can see the first one and the second one is gated. Also, we have two-page widgets for the moment, the alert bar and the pop-up, which is basically, yeah, you probably know. The alert bar is this one, and the pop-up will appear in a few seconds here. Yeah. Also, we have this page analytics. We have these page leads. You will see all the leads collected here. We have preferences. You can change the slug of the page. You can disable this. Do you like this resource block here, for example? You can make the page private from the listing because by default you have this one. Just a second. Basically the root page. Yeah, and you can hide it from here. Also, you can remove the subpage branding from the page if you have a premium account. Also, you have SEO settings. You can disable the indexing. You can set the meta title, meta description. Also, we can insert scripts in heads and footer. And as you can see here, we also have an internal engine for GDPR compliance with cookies. So if you are inserting here scripts that are inserting cookies, it's important to label them so we can automatically add it in the cookie script. Also, another gating method can be here, like an inline one. For example, we have this lead collection form where you can also add the block. We also have the gated file where you can upload the file. For example, this one. And now the file is gated, so after filling out the form, you will be able to download the file. Also, we have gated link. Yeah, for example, subpage.go. So you have plenty of gating methods. Also, you can upload the cover here. You can set the tabs to be rendered continuously instead of instead of having those tabs into separate pages. So I think for the page editor, that's it. So you have this content editor where you can use a Notion like editor. You can split the content into multiple tabs. Then you can set page variables. Then you can set lead generation methods. Then you can insert widgets, see the analytics both for the views and the page leads, and set some settings. And I can show you where you can see the leads, for example. For the lead generation, I will select these settings, but here I want to render discontinuously. So we have the second page here. I'll enter my email. A really important thing here is that if you have premium account, we automatically enable the email checker. So only valid emails can be used here. So now I unlocked the page and also the this persist. So if I'm refreshing the page, I can also see the page unlocked. And now I can see the lead here, email, source, created at, delete, I can export. And also for this, I have this implementation here, like integrations. I can create some webhooks like this one. So for example, when a lead is created, is automatically making a post to this link. So I can use Zapier, I don't know, a lot of other tools to make automations. Also, we have a Zapier application, so you can go to Zapier and direct type Subpage and use the Subpage integration. You can generate your API token from here in order to use Zapier. We have this RB2B integration, so you just need to go here and pass your API key, so the script is automatically integrated. We have the face-to-face integration. It's a really, really nice tool that you can talk with your customer live on the website. Also, from we have this main page here. You can edit your root page with a similar editor from the previous page. We also have AI lead magnets. It's a beta version, so now you can just generate AI lead magnets based on some fields, but we are working on a upgraded version right now, so we will be able to upload files and we can generate lead magnets based on those files. Also, you can see all your collected leads here. We have a templates page where you basically create your own templates, but also we have some public templates here uh, that we think are the most important to understand what a lead magnet is. And you can simply click on this to preview it. And then if you want to use it, you can simply click on this use template. So all the content is here. You just simply go to next steps, add your contact details here. Then you can gate the content after 300 pixels, and you're able now to generate leads through an AI generated lead magnet. So it's really, really straightforward. You don't need PDFs anymore. So yeah. After that, we have these organization settings. You can upload your logo, your favicon, your primary color, secondary color, heading fonts, and terms and condition policy. You can link your own custom domain in just a few seconds. You need to add this CNAME to your provider, then add your subdomain here, and in, I don't know, a few minutes, it's everything in place. So the last thing I think that is important to mention is what I mentioned at the beginning, like you have the multiple organizations, and if you just a second, if you have, I don't know, 100 organizations here, you can simply create multiple organizations. If you, for example, are an agency or you have multiple businesses, you can create organization here like Andrei Test Org One. And now I'm able to switch really easy through these organizations. And I can, for example, see the collected leads for this, go to this client, see for this, and so on and so forth. So this tool is also a good tool for agencies. Also, we have this affiliate program, so you can earn 30% recurring commission for the lifetime of a user. Yeah, we are working constantly to improve the tools. So if you have any idea, you can go to this feedback and roadmap and basically uh, yeah, help us to build a better product. So I think this is it. Thank you for your attention.